During this viral season is when our hands get really dry because of using hand sanitizers, cleansers, hand soap. But I'm gonna give you a secret to keep your skin hydrated and no cracks. Hi, my name is Clara and welcome to my sofa secrets. So as I was saying before, washing your hands, using hand sanitizers is now because we need to use them during the viral season and all the time. Dermatologists do recommend that after using hand soaps, hand sanitizers, cleansers, we need to moisturize our skin because our skin gets so dry. So with that said, you need to moisturize with a very good moisturizer, not a lotion. Use a highly hydrating moisturizer, and that's why I invite you to use and try our body butters. Our body butters are highly moisturizing, deep nourishing, so use them and the hydration will last for at least 24 hours. It is formulated with shea butter, which has healing and soothing properties, repairing properties, and that's what we need. We need to repair skin, we need to hydrate and nourish our skin. Keep it healthy, radiant, with that glowing all the time. So our body butters are not only formulated with shea butter, they are formulated with coconut oil, hemp seed oil, avocado oil, and vitamin E. Vitamin E is highly in antioxidants, and that's what we need. The antioxidants in our skin are highly repairing too. So our body butters comes in 6 ounces and very little goes a long way. The packaging comes in this beautiful pouch that we can actually squeeze, and not necessarily you need to use a lot. Just very little goes a long way. Very little. And as I'm using it, the little that I use goes a long way actually for the entire hand and arm. And you see that glowing effect? Not effect, actually it feels really good in my skin. It feels so smooth and soft. Wow, it's really made that change, like immediately that change. And the skin and my hands are not greasy at all. You see, you can hear the pop. That is because it's non-greasy formula. So the reason we use this packaging is because we wanted to prevent people sticking fingers into the jars, and that's why we chose this packaging. Also because it's eco-friendly, it's less waste for the landfills. When they're manufacturing this packaging, they take less energy production. So it's a lot of things to consider when using this packaging in manufacturing. So this is the packaging when it's empty, and when I was saying it's less waste for the landfills compared to a jar, that's the reason we are eco-friendly. We encourage people to be more earth sustainable. So like I was saying, dermatologists do recommend during this time and all the time, viral season, we need to use hand moisturizer, hand lotions, and I highly recommend to switch from a lotion to a body butter. Use it in your hands and all over your body, head to toe, because it is natural and 100% organic ingredients. It's free of parabens, and it is just free of harsh chemicals, and it has no dyes. So this product here, I highly recommend that you use it. You actually take it with you anywhere for travel. It's perfect. And use it for dry skin, eczema, psoriasis. If you have problem skin just like me, just because you see the skin here that it's clear, bright, healthy, that doesn't mean that I don't suffer from skin problems. Yes, I do, and I'm gonna show you. The problem skin that I have is in my legs. Let me just move this thing around here to this side. I'm gonna put my leg here. This is what I'm talking about. I'm using our body butter for the past few days. I use it because it's so soothing, it's healing, it has healing properties, and my skin feels so soft after using my body butter. And it has actually changed a lot. I mean, you see it here, it looks totally different from what it was last week. And it's just, I'm waiting to heal 100%. Within a few days, it'll be completely gone. So yes, I do suffer from skin problems too. Thank God it's not in my arms, but it's only in my legs, which is, actually a skin problem. So that's why we formulated this product to solve my issue, and I want to help you solve yours. We use only 100% natural ingredients. The shea butter, it's healing and soothing, repairing. The coconut oil is actually loaded with vitamins. And there's so many. The avocado oil is also repairing. It has omega fatty acids. And the antioxidants in vitamin E. I mean, there is so much in this product, in this little one right here, that it will restore and repair your skin. So I'm going to show you each one, the fragrances that we have. The Nightfall, and I'm going to put on my glasses. The Nightfall, I love this product. It's just so romantic. It's like a romantic fragrance that it will take you to a nice sweet place at night. It is a combination of bergamot and violet and amber. So that's a Nightfall. The Unscented, of course, it has no scent. People use this a lot. It has no scent because the unscented version, people don't like to for any fragrance on their lotions to interfere with their cologne, their perfume. So people buy it a lot. It's no fragrance at all. So continue along with the Afterglow. I love this one. It's a customer's favorite too. It's a blend of passion fruit, grapes, and vanilla orchids. I love this one. Also coming with the Tropical Paradise. The Tropical Paradise is a customer's favorite. I love this. It's very light scent. It is a fresh blend of fruits and flowers. I love this one. Juicy Citrus, one of my favorites too. I love this one. It's bergamot and orange. I love citrus scents. And the coffee, definitely customer's favorite. Coffee is just fresh, hot coffee. So here we have all the 6 scents that we have in our body butter line. You can find them on Amazon and also on our website, delugecosmetics.com. Buy it today. And also it's great for giveaways, for presents. It's beautiful. Take it in your purse, in your car, your office. Any season for giveaways is the best. I love this product, and I'm sure you will love it too. Thank you so much.